What if I told you that your entire life could change, not with luck, not with connections, not with money, but with a simple board made of paper, pictures, and raw, desperate belief? What if I told you that when everything around you falls apart, when people stop believing in you, when even you stop believing in yourself, this board could be the very thing that holds your future together? I'm not talking about fairy tales or motivation speeches. I'm talking about a real story, my story. A story of starting over, a story of loss, rejection, heartbreak, and rising from ashes. A story of vision turning into reality, not by accident, but by design. This is about a vision board that became the anchor in my storm. The quiet reminder that my dreams still mattered, even when the world said they didn't. It became the silent promise I made to myself. I will not stop until this life becomes mine. There were moments I wanted to quit, moments I felt like a failure, like a joke, like my dreams were too big for someone like me. But I didn't stop. I visualized harder. I believed deeper. And that board, it started giving back. One dream at a time, one breakthrough at a time. From rejection to approval. From isolation to belonging. From darkness to a future I once thought I could never have. And that's why you can't click away now. Because if you're watching this and you've ever felt like giving up on your dreams, your future, yourself, then what I'm about to share isn't just a video, it's proof. Proof that your story isn't over, that you don't need permission to begin again, that no matter how far you've fallen, there's still a way to rise. By the time this video ends, you won't just know how to make a vision board. You'll know how to make one that transforms you. You'll see how mine carried me across continents, healed my pain, helped me find my voice again, and brought to life the version of me I thought I had lost forever. So breathe, sit with me, because this might be the most important 10 minutes you give yourself this year. Are you ready? Let's begin. I was working as an IT engineer in the United Arab Emirates when life suddenly shifted. In 2018, we moved back to India. The following year, our daughter was born. Soon after, the COVID pandemic arrived, and everything changed. Like many people, I was thrown into a period of uncertainty, but for me, it was deeply personal. Those years were heavy. We faced so many difficulties, emotionally and financially. I began to feel stuck, as if the life I once dreamed of was quietly slipping away. But somewhere in the midst of that chaos, a small voice inside me said, "Don't give up, start again." I had a dream to move to Europe and continue my education. I already held a bachelor's in IT, so I decided to pursue a master's. I prepared for the IELTS exam and scored a 6.5. Together with my partner, we decided to apply to Sweden. A friend who helped us through the process, right from the application to the visa. That was in 2022. I applied to 4 universities in Sweden and was thrilled to receive admission from Malmö University. We paid the fees and submitted the visa application for me, my partner, and our daughter. Then, we waited. Soon after, we got a call for an interview in New Delhi. We traveled together and completed it with hope in our hearts. But time passed, and still no decision. The semester began. Malmö University extended my deadline by 2 weeks, but even then there was no update. I was heartbroken. That dream I had held so tightly started to fade. The university refunded our fees. People around me began asking questions, some even mocking. I withdrew from social gatherings, from celebrations, from the outside world. I entered a very dark and painful chapter. I felt ashamed, defeated. But somehow, I didn't stop. I started applying again to Germany and the UK. I even got admission to a UK university. But we chose not to move forward with it. Something inside me was still tied to Sweden. In January 2023, my friend asked, "Shall we try one more time?" And this time, I said yes. But we told no one, not even our parents. I applied to Stockholm University. Again, I got admission. Again, we paid the fees. Again, we went to Delhi for biometrics. And again, we waited. But this time, something was different. I didn't obsess over the result. I wasn't constantly thinking, when will it come? Instead, I said to myself, it will come. I believe it is mine. I started acting as if the visa approval was already done. I asked a friend who had received her visa to send me a screenshot of the approval email. I printed it out, stuck it on my vision board, and made it my phone's wallpaper. Every time I opened my phone, I saw that image. I stared at my vision board every single day. I breathed that reality into my mind. I watched videos about Stockholm, imagined us walking those streets. I even showed those videos to my daughter and told her we will go there soon. I was training my mind to believe, not just hope, but know. Even while sleeping, I kept that image in my mind until I drifted off. I told myself, even if it doesn't happen this time, I'll try again next year. And the year after that, I'll keep trying until it becomes real. It may have sounded crazy, but to me, it became my truth. I was fully committed, mentally and emotionally. I never allowed negative thoughts to take over. I repeated daily, this will happen. This is already done. And then, one night, it happened. 2 months after biometrics, I randomly checked my email. There it was, a message from Swedish Migration. My heart started racing. My hands were trembling. I opened the email, barely able to breathe. And what I saw was exactly what I had put on my vision board, word for word. Our visa had been approved. I was overwhelmed. I hugged my partner and broke down in tears, not from sadness, but from the purest joy I've ever known. I cried like a child because that vision, that hope, that belief, I had made it real. That wasn't the only success I've had with my vision board. Later, I visualized and achieved YouTube monetization. I passed both Swedish C and D level language exams. There was another academic exam I had failed 3 times. I printed out an email mock-up with the passing grade. But guess what? I ended up scoring 83 out of 100. So when I tell you the vision board works, it's not theory, it's truth. The key is not just making one, it's becoming one with it. You have to live inside that vision. Breathe it, trust it, without overthinking or doubting, even when the outside world shows no signs. You must stay grounded in belief. This isn't coincidence. This is alignment. This is the law of attraction wrapped in clarity. Now I've passed all my exams, and I'm finishing my thesis at Stockholm University. It all started with belief and a board. So what exactly is a vision board? It's a visual map of your dreams, a collage of images, words, affirmations, quotes, anything that captures the life you want to live. You can use it to attract love, health, confidence, career, travel, or in my case, all of them. Because when you see your dream every day, something changes. Your energy shifts, your actions align, your belief deepens. Now it's your turn. Let's create your own vision board. The same way I created mine, the same way so many people have manifested the impossible. Start by setting a clear intention. Not just, I want a car, or I want more money, but ask yourself, what do I truly desire? What does my soul crave? Do you want freedom, peace, confidence, joy? Visualizing material goals is powerful, but tying them to how you want to feel makes them magnetic. That emotion becomes your engine. Next, gather your images. This is the fun part. Browse through magazines or search online for photos that light you up. Choose visuals that stir something inside you. Don't just pick what looks nice. Pick what feels right. The goal is to find pictures that make your heart beat faster, that make your dreams feel closer. A happy couple, an airplane wing above the clouds, a graduation cap, a glowing sunrise, whatever symbolizes your next level. Then, add quotes or affirmations that resonate with your journey. Things like, I am aligned with everything I desire, or it is done, or I am becoming the version of me I've always dreamed of. These aren't just words, they're permission slips for your subconscious. They remind you of who you are becoming every single day. Now, it's time to make your collage. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You can use a corkboard, a piece of cardboard, a digital layout, or even a simple notebook page. Arrange the images and words in a way that feels alive to you. This is your world, your story, your future in preview. Let it excite you. Let it make you smile. When you've created your board, place it somewhere sacred, somewhere you will see it every single day. It could be above your work desk, beside your mirror, near your bed, or do what I did, make it your phone wallpaper. That way, every time you open your screen, you're reminded of what's coming. And here's a powerful bonus tip. Include a few things you've already achieved. Maybe a graduation you already completed, a small goal you've crossed off, a moment where you felt proud. Adding those victories reprograms your subconscious mind to expect more success. It whispers, look, you've done it before, you'll do it again. This isn't just a board, it's a mirror, a map, a magnet, and the more you connect with it, the more your life begins to align. Most people make a vision board once, forget about it, and never look at it again. But a real vision board, the kind that changes your life, is something you must live inside of. You must immerse yourself in it. Don't just see the images, feel them. Don't just read the quotes, believe them. Let it melt into your identity. Don't ask when it will come, act as if it's already yours. Let your board become a reflection of who you already are becoming. Not someone wishing, but someone knowing. Overthinking and doubt are the biggest blocks. Your only job is to believe so deeply, so stubbornly, that even the universe can't ignore you. When you stand in front of your vision board, don't ask when it will come. That question slows everything down. That question comes from lack. Instead, act as if it's already yours. Feel the energy of your new life, like it's unfolding right now. Breathe it. Walk with it. Think like it. Speak like it. Live like it. The real blocks aren't on your board. They're in your mind, when you overthink, when you doubt, when you obsess. Those are the biggest thieves of manifestation. Your only job is to believe, without needing proof. That's how you shift from hoping to receiving. So whatever you're dreaming of right now, please hear me. Don't give up. Don't let your current circumstances convince you that your dream is out of reach. Your timeline is not the problem. Your doubt is. Trust the delays. Trust the detours. They're not punishments, they're preparations. Create a vision board that moves your heart, not just your hands. And once it's made, hold that vision in your mind and in your body, and trust the unfolding. Every single day, no matter what, like I did, even when everything told me to stop believing, and I didn't. And now, I am here. I'm in Sweden. I speak Swedish. I passed the exams they said were too hard. I manifested a new chapter of my life, and it's just the beginning. And if it happened for me, after everything I went through, it can happen for you. You have no idea how close you are. If this video touched you or gave you hope, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs hope. Someone who's on the edge of giving up. Someone who just needs a reason to believe again. Drop a comment below. What's the first thing you'll add to your vision board? Let's bring your vision to life together. And if you want help creating one, check out the free printable templates and guided journal I've linked in the description. Just remember this, you are not stuck. You are not behind. You are the artist of your life, and the canvas is waiting. I want to tell you something. Are you ready to bring more positivity, confidence, and peace into your life? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is designed to guide you on an incredible journey of self-transformation. Imagine waking up each day feeling motivated, confident, and filled with purpose. This ebook is here to help you make that vision a reality. Inside, you'll discover 30 days of powerful affirmations tailored to every area of your life, whether you're looking to boost joy, build confidence, attract abundance, or enhance inner peace. Each chapter offers guided meditations and visualizations to make your affirmation practice even more powerful and deeply transformative. The routines are simple and designed to fit easily into any schedule, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned practitioners. Daily affirmations have the power to rewire your mind, helping you overcome limiting beliefs and boost self-confidence. Through this 30-day challenge, you'll notice real, lasting change. Each day, you'll be taking small, intentional steps toward becoming the best version of yourself. So why wait? Begin your journey today. Download powerful and positive affirmations to change your life in 30 days and start embracing a more positive, empowered you. Make the change that you deserve. And for just $4.99, you can start making real, lasting changes in your life today. Get your copy today.